What are children's inheritance rights in intestacy? Imagine losing a loved one and not knowing how their estate will be divided. When someone passes away without a will, the law steps in to decide who gets what. This process is called intestacy. Children are usually among the main people who inherit, but how much they get depends on a few factors. If there is no surviving spouse, children often inherit the entire estate. If there is a spouse and children, the estate is split based on state laws. For example, in California, if the person leaves behind a spouse and one child, they share the estate equally. If there are multiple children, the children share 2/3 of the estate, and the spouse gets 1/3. Adopted children are treated the same as biological children in inheritance rights. Children born outside of marriage also have rights if they can prove they are the parent's child and that support was provided. Stepchildren usually do not inherit unless there are no blood relatives. If a child has passed away before the decedent, their share goes to their own children, the decedent's grandchildren. Children born after the person's death, called posthumous children, are also entitled to inherit as if they were alive during the person's lifetime. If there are no spouse or children, the estate goes to parents, then siblings, and further relatives in a set order. It's important to remember that intestacy laws do not reflect personal wishes. To make sure children get what you want, estate planning with a will or trust is a good idea. These legal documents help specify exactly how assets should be divided. Guardianship and trust arrangements can also be set up for minor children to manage inherited assets responsibly. Overall, children have strong rights to inherit when someone dies without a will. Biological, adopted, and posthumous children usually have clear rights, but stepchildren generally do not unless no other heirs exist. Planning ahead can help protect these rights and ensure your children are taken care of the way you want.